Hey, what's up, friends? Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. I appreciate you guys all so very much. Please remember to hit that like button. Maybe even give me a little subscribe if you haven't yet done so. I am almost at 1,000 subscribers. I'm so super excited. So if we can do that and hit that milestone, I'd be super grateful. This video was a little different. So the reason why I am recording this video is because tonight I was recording some things for some content and I saw this video on Instagram, and this is my result of the video. I didn't pursue it any further. I got frustrated and fed up. I did record some of my process, and I am going to include that in this video. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I am not perfect. I did not go to school. I am not like other baking channels where they have practiced over and over again until they got the formula right to show you, hey, this is what you need to do. And they get it perfect, but they don't show all the trials and errors that they have gone through to get it right. Now, today was also kind of a whim. I didn't have maybe all the proper supplies. These were the only popsicle sticks that I had. These probably definitely need to be on some longer popsicle sticks. I don't know what was up with my chocolate, and I couldn't find my little cup. I have a very tall cup that I can dip things in, like my chocolate. I don't know where that had went, so I used a smaller version or a smaller cup, which it wasn't very helpful. But I wanted to practice this technique because a girlfriend of mine is currently pregnant, and I am preparing and trying to get some ideas for her baby shower. So I thought this cute little bear would be so super awesome. So I'm going to insert the video that I found on Instagram, and it will have her name and everything in the video. So if you go check her out, she's got some of the cutest things on there. So let me insert that, and then I will come back to you guys. So her stuff is so super adorable. I mean, come on. So I saw the bear actually for Valentine's Day, and I'm like, I wanted to do that, but for a baby shower, maybe do some pink and blue, like little feetsies, whatever. And then of course Easter was coming, so I was gonna do like the Easter bunny. And then they had like a little chick or like a little ducky or rubber ducky, or it was a duck, but I was going to put bubbles and stuff to make it look like a rubber duck to go with the teddy bear, like for a baby shower type deal. So anyway, none of that happened. But I just kept messing up. Things just kept happening. And it was a total fail. And you know what? I'm okay with that. These are not going to go to waste. My son will definitely eat these. But I know the potential. I know it can be done. But I just need to practice some more. And also, this project takes a lot of chocolate. Like, you need a mass, if you're going to do a abundant amount of these, like if you were going to do like 12 of these, you're going to need a lot of chocolates. So just a heads up. But yeah, so yeah, today was a fail. But that's okay, because I may or may not try again. And if I do, we'll try a part 2 because I tried Jolly Rancher roses. I think I have 2 fail videos on my vlog channel, but I think I have one over here where I semi got it, but I have not been able to make Jolly Rancher roses. But yeah, so I just wanted to just come on here and just give you an honest video. So, but yeah, I present to you the mishaps of these Oreo Pops. They're oh so cute, again, by the Instagram account who makes them. They're very amazing, very creative. I just couldn't master it. So let's see the ridiculousness. Alright friends, so that's going to wrap it up for this catastrophe of a video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you like more raw and real videos like this, please let me know down in the comments. Again, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!